los padres. Vamos a empezar el tema 6. Al 5 ya volveremos. Partes de la casa, la estructura. He's in the... Él está en el o la cocina, por ejemplo. She's in the... Ella está en el o la habitación, por ejemplo. Así como la pregunta, where is? ¿Dónde está? Okay, let's get started. Let's do this. He's Mr. Monster. She's Queen Lupe. Look at her. She's part of a very special team. The Virus Busters. They're gonna fight against Mr. Monster. Where's Mr. Monster? He's in the bedroom. We don't want you to be there. He's in the living room. You're not supposed to be there. He's in the dining room. He's in the kitchen. But where's Queen Lupe? She's in the bathroom. She's waiting for Mr. Monster. Where's Mr. Monster now? Nowhere. He's gone. We got rid of him. So don't forget this. He's in the bedroom. He's in the bathroom. He's in the kitchen. He's in the dining room. He's in the living room. He's gone.